Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ExtremeSwitching 5420 series. The 5420 series is a family of high-performance, feature-rich edge switches designed for the next-generation infinite enterprise. The 5420 series universal hardware offers a user-selectable choice of Extreme's flagship switch operating systems. The 5420 series box comes with a label. Check it to ensure the accuracy of your switch model. Before unboxing, make sure you ground yourself by putting on an anti-static wrist strap. The 5420 series box contains the following: one accessory box containing 2 sets of short rack mount ears, 1 clear pouch with rack mount screws, and 1 DB9 to RJ45 cable. 1 printed copy of the 5420 README document that introduces the universal hardware and lists onboarding options. 1 printed copy of the quick reference guide that lists the installation options, interface information, and regulatory and compliance information. 1 5420F switch, where the F designates a fixed fan module, or 1 5420M switch, which designates a modular or removable fan module. Every 5420 series switch also comes with a printed copy of the ExtremeCloud IQ Pilot License Notice. This document outlines your 1-year entitlement to an ExtremeCloud IQ Pilot license and includes a QR code you can use to activate pilot-level capabilities. ExtremeCloud IQ makes onboarding your 5420 easy with cloud-based operating system selection and activation of 5420 licenses. The ExtremeCloud IQ Pilot subscription additionally delivers advanced policy, topology, and troubleshooting services to further simplify 5420 network operations. You can also separately order power supplies and power cords with your 5420. Power supplies are boxed individually as seen here. Power cords may be boxed together depending on quantity. A label is located on the underside of the switch as well as an information tag located on the front. Both contain model and serial number information as well as a QR code that contains more details about the switch. The front panel of the 5420 series switch contains either 24 or 48 data ports, LEDs, a micro-B USB console port, SFP Plus or SFP28 uplink ports, 2 RJ45 ports, the left for Ethernet connection and the right for serial console connection, 2 USB Type-A ports, and 2 SFP DD stacking ports. The rear panel of a 5420F switch contains either 2 or 3 fixed fan modules. F models also have 1 AC power inlet connector and 1 power supply slot. The rear panel of a 5420M switch has 1 replaceable fan module and 2 power supply slots. For more details about installation options, refer to the 5420 installation guide at www.extremenetworks.com/documentation. Thank you for watching.